future of computing, I've asked Craig Swenson, who's our SVP of Product Marketing, to come to stage and to give us a take a look into our labs and what we're working on. So Craig, come on up here. Please welcome him. Craig, come on up. Welcome, Craig.
So this is going to be very fun and pretty cool, because what we're going to show you today is a glimpse into the future of Cloud 2, the future of collaboration, our product, Salesforce Chatter, that Marc was referring to. And the cool thing is, for the customers in the audience, this feature is here now. You're going to get it. It's in our private beta. And in fact, it's coming to all of our customers this year. So when we think about collaboration, something we think about is, why is it so hard to collaborate at work with today's tools? And the reality is, why is it so hard to find everything you need, connect with the right people? And the reality is that today's collaboration tools were built before the web. And if you think about it, and when we look at Cloud 2, we think about, why has Facebook shown us a smarter way? With the status updates and the profiles and the feeds and the filters, why is it so easy to collaborate on Facebook, but it's so difficult in our enterprises? And so we thought, why doesn't all enterprise collaboration just work like Facebook? And that was really the basis of what's now known as Salesforce Chatter. So let's go ahead and bring up the demo, and we'll show you this live right now. So this is the Salesforce UI. For those of you who haven't seen it before, this is the classic look and feel of the Salesforce application. In fact, all applications that come from Salesforce look like this. You can see right here that we're in the sales application in the upper right-hand portion of the screen. But of course, everything I'm going to be showing you right now is baked into the customer service applications that we sell. In fact, all the applications that companies build on our Force.com platform. So today we're in the sales application, and across the top of the screen what you can see is that all the various functions right there represent the core functions of the Salesforce automation application. The customers, accounts, contacts, opportunities, the dashboards, the document repository, everything a sales organization would need to manage their processes. And of course, right there in the middle of the screen, what you can see is that we're managing all of our deals, where we are on the leaderboard, our quota, all of our sales tasks. This is really where work gets done for a sales professional or for somebody else who's using Salesforce applications. They can be a customer service agent, for example. But something that's brand new with Salesforce Chatter, you can see it right here on the screen, is that every user inside of the application now has a persona. These are real people that are engaging with other folks, engaging with documents, engaging with application data to do their jobs. And of course, now what we've done is we've brought this persona into the application. Something that's radically new for enterprise software applications is the notion that I could click on another person inside of the application and be brought to a work profile, a profile page. And there's something that's really key here that I want to mention, is that this is not a separate collaboration tool. It's not like the legacy collaboration tools from Lotus Notes or Microsoft SharePoint that not only don't have this capability, but it's not integrated into the applications. We took a long time building this technology that you're seeing right here today because we baked it into our platform, and that meant that all of our applications, our sales application, our service application, all of our custom cloud computing applications inherit this capability. Everything in our platform has it. So in the sales application, Scott Thompson here, as a sales rep, has his profile page. He can describe himself, upload his photo, talk about where he used to work, his expertise, and then this facilitates people inside of the company connecting with one another to help folks do their jobs. In this case, to help Scott Thompson sell more. And of course, in the middle of the screen, you can see the status update box. This looks eerily similar to Facebook, and we designed it that way because, as Marc was mentioning, Facebook has literally trained the entire internet on how to collaborate. And now people come to work, and with Salesforce and Salesforce Chatter, they can collaborate in the exact same manner. But these are not personal status updates, like where we went on Saturday night or what we had for breakfast. This is all about work. So people can status update. A sales rep can say, I'm looking for a reference in the media industry. And then everyone around the company can dogpile on that to help produce that reference. And everybody who's following Scott, as you can see up there on the right-hand portion of the screen, everyone who's following Scott immediately in real time got that status update. But it's more than that, because right below that, what you can see is that I'm following not only people, but as Marc was mentioning, I can also follow documents and I can follow data. I can follow our sales presentation, marketing collateral, operations, and I can follow data. I can follow my top customers. I can follow my critical support cases. And I can follow information from apps that aren't even Salesforce. And all of this manifests itself right on the homepage. So just like on Facebook when you go to the homepage, or just like on Twitter when you go to the homepage, right there on the page of Salesforce, right there on the homepage, is the Chatter feed. This is the real-time activity feed of everything around the company that I care about as an individual to do my job. So you can see real-time streams of information from folks in our marketing organization, real-time streams of information from documents, like a product price list that's just been changed. And as an account executive or a sales rep, I always want to know when this information changes. Right below that, you can see a real-time stream from data inside of my company, a critical support case that we need to resolve, and then everybody collaborating to resolve that case. You can see real-time streams from third-party apps that Salesforce doesn't even create, like an Oracle Financials application that's streaming information to a sales rep telling them that the customer hasn't paid their bill. But something that every single sales rep, of course, wants to stay on top of, the most important thing, are their deals. So at the bottom of the screen, what you can see is that somebody just added a competitor onto this deal. And now